friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be an introductory video to the topic organization in the Diwalog series. As I've mentioned earlier, the following topic is going to have 6 different videos under it. I am going to share with you people the organization of men's wardrobe, kids wardrobe, women's wardrobe, how to fold heavy Indian wears and how to fold normal Indian wear clothings, as well as a dresser organizational video. Now the organizational system in my entire house was completely fallen apart. I was waiting to shoot this video, so I kind of let that happen as well. You people will follow along and see how many things were there that were accumulated and were needed to be decluttered. So while you organize your house or reorganize your house, that is the best opportunity to introduce decluttering as well. Decluttering is an entirely different topic. In a short form, if I'd like to clarify you people, it is a process of removing excess things that are causing clutter in your house or at any given area. So you can go ahead and declutter your clothes, your kitchenware, you can declutter the papers and all stuff like that. You're gonna find a lot of videos on this channel that are going to be related to decluttering as well. I'm gonna clearly tell you people, I am not a minimalist at any cost. You will find multiple stuff in the house. There are lots of toys, paintings, clothings and stuff like that. But I try to make sure that I have stuff that is functional for me. Things that are working, sizes that are fitting, everything it's needed to be taken into consideration while you're decluttering. And that gives you a visual aid as well. It gives you a vision that how much space do you have in spare. If you keep on continuously decluttering, if you keep on continuously organizing, then it will make sure that your house doesn't transform into a complete mess. Now, no organizational procedure can make sure that your organizational system stays in place. It is always up to you. Like literally, you can go ahead and organize everything and your system can fall apart within 2 to 3 days. So organization is not only organizing, but it's even following the path that you have chosen while organizing. What is supposed to go where, that is exactly what you need to make sure. Once each and every single thing in your house has a place of its own, you will automatically start working on an autopilot mode, as well as the family members will even start developing this habit of placing the things where they actually belong. You don't want all of the burden of keeping things organized in your hands only. You can teach the child that he is supposed to keep the toys from wherever he has picked up and place them back at the designated place only. You can request your husband as well to make sure that the clothes that are supposed to be washed go in the laundry bin. And I know the women whom I'm talking to, we all know that husbands have this habit of leaving their clothes behind the bathroom door and then expecting us to just collect them and make sure that they are washed. Every Indian man has this habit of taking the t-shirt from the bottom out, making sure that the t-shirts on the top are falling apart. So just try to make sure. I don't want you to keep on nagging on the person because that is not something they admire. A requesting quotient will help you get along. Give it some time and it will work. Trust me on this thing. I even have my husband. He is quite stubborn as well. I did face these challenges as well. With the passage of time, the way he observed me keeping things, my habits and stuff like that, he got himself translated into the same habits as well. And now it's like when the organizational system is falling apart, my husband is like, Ankita, why are you not working on the organization of the wardrobe? He himself will be like, Ankita, this shirt doesn't fit me anymore. You can go ahead and donate it, or you can give it to someone else, or you can do whatever you want to with the given shirt. So these are just simple habits that you need to make sure that you have, and with these simple habits, you can simplify your life as well. This topic is not going to end on this series. We are going to discuss it at a later date in the future videos. So hopefully you people will enjoy this series as well as this topic of the series. Do let me know in the comment section below if you people want to see any other topics that covered on this channel under the Diwalog series. And with that being said, I'll take your all's leave and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, just stay blessed and take very good care of yourself. Bye.